When moving furniture is not an option, here's what we do, because it's not always an option. Bigger machine, we can't get through there. But look what we can do here. Soil extraction transfer technology. Another problem with the hot water extraction or other methods, listen, if this doesn't get moved, that doesn't get moved, chances are the jets are gonna shoot out solution and water onto the wood here, onto the furniture. We wouldn't want that to happen either. So this is a safe way to do it and get a good thorough cleaning using Sett. You can see we're able to get and maneuver in between the toughest of areas. And that stain is going to require a little bit more of a treatment right there. You can even get under here. And keep in mind, this is just our agitation bonnet. This isn't the extraction bonnet. Just see how this machine eats away the stains. So of course, I'm going to go back over it with two hands because I'm operating with one hand, but you get the idea of what we're able to accomplish. Look. Stains are gone, spots are gone. Soil extraction transfer technology. One of the most innovative approaches to carpet cleaning of all time. I'm one of the first to bring it. No, actually the first to bring it to Tallahassee. I'm somewhat of a Sett pioneer, as in I'm the first one. And this is a great method. And carpets become clean and dry in about an hour. And that's huge here considering we have severe humidity issues in Tallahassee, Florida. So thank you for watching thus far. So here is almost a finished product. This is after we cleaned it. Now you see that footprint. Now we groom the carpets after we clean them, right? And sometimes we'll post vacuum them, but one thing about grooming them is it rejuvenates the carpet fibers, even though if it's temporarily, it still rejuvenates them, right? So look what happens. See the footprint there? Nice fluffy carpets. See, and we're able to remove the spots and stains, and we were able to get underneath this table, that table, go in between here and do it safely and effectively. So you got a good deep cleaning and it's safe next to your furniture, and the carpets will be dry in about an hour. So with our method, we worked all sides of the carpet fiber, got inside, outside, the surface of the carpet fiber. The only thing that doesn't happen is the solution doesn't penetrate beneath the backing into your subfloor, and that causes wicking. Neutral product, safe products that are a 0 health rating, and that's huge. So thank you for watching and take care.